Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Verify you have an iPhone XR with current iOS and enough battery, because updates can change Face ID behavior. Once done, remove any case or film that might block the true depth camera and clean the area. Next, go to Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, and enter your passcode. Tap Setup Face ID to start. You'll see on-screen guidance. Follow it closely so the sensor can capture your facial geometry accurately during the first scan. Now you perform the actual scans. Hold the iPhone about 10 to 20 inches from your face, portrait orientation, and look at the screen. The camera uses depth and infrared to map your features. Then, move your head slowly in a full circle so the true depth system captures different angles. Don't rush. Once the first scan finishes, you'll be prompted to do a second scan. Repeat the same motion. Make sure glasses aren't reflective and remove masks so the system records accurate depth data. Finish by enabling the features you want: iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, and Apple Pay, and then test unlocking your phone a few times in normal lighting. If you wear heavy makeup or dramatic style changes, add an alternate appearance so Face ID stays reliable. If something goes wrong, try a simple fix. Clean the true depth area, restart the iPhone, then go to Settings and reset Face ID before repeating setup. That reset often resolves errors caused by obstructions or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.